So children, in the previous class you have learnt how to measure the length of a given objects by using our centimeter scale and the meter scale. Okay, now let us start with another new topic of the lesson which I have told you in the previous class, that is weight, which is there on page number 80. So children, here weight. Okay, can you see this picture children here? Here it is a fruit vendor is there, then vegetable vendor, then sweet vendors. Okay, here they're having some instrument or device with them to measure the weight of the things. Can you see here? Yes. So these are called the device or instrument used to weigh objects in shops and other business places is the weighing machine. Here you can see they're using the weighing machine here, but this fruit vendor, he is using the beam balance. This is called the beam balance. In one side they will keep the weights like 1 kg, 2 kg, grams, okay, that you are going to study in your higher classes, and one side they will keep the objects to be weighted. Okay, so these are the device instruments used to weigh objects in shops and other business places is called the weighing machines. Okay. Children, tell me any two situations where the weights are used for measurement. Yes, to weigh the vegetables, then to weigh the sweets, to weigh the fruits, isn't it? To weigh the grains, yes, which is used by the shopkeepers. So these are the some situations where the weights are used for measurement, to measure the weight of the things, isn't it? Okay, now children, turn the page, come to the page number 82, exercise 10.4. In the given set of objects, put right mark for the objects whose weight is more. So here we are having two columns. Here you have to compare both the objects, then you have to put the right marks against the sentence. If the object is more, means if the not more, if the weight of the object is more. Okay, if the weight of the object is more, then you have to put the right mark there. First, mathematics books and newspaper. Which weight is more? Mathematics books, your mathematic book or the newspaper? Yes, your mathematic book. Next, pen or geometrical instruments. Yes, pen or geometrical instruments means your compass box or your pen. Yes, your geometrical instruments, isn't it? Next, wooden chair or the wooden table, which is having a more weight. Yes, wooden table. So we'll put a right mark here. Next, volleyball or tennis ball. Volleyball or tennis ball. Tennis ball is smaller than the volleyball, isn't it? So the volleyball is having more weight than the tennis ball. Next, coconut or pumpkin, which is having a more weight. Coconut or pumpkin. You might have seen both, coconut, pumpkin, isn't it? So pumpkin is having a more weight than the coconut. Now come to the second one. Estimate the weight of the pair of the objects in your surroundings and classify them as shown in the table. So you have to estimate it. You don't need any exact weight of it. Objects. Here what you have to in the first column, weight less than 1 kg, then weight more than 1 kg. Okay. So we are having two weights. First is a gram. The second, this first one. The second is a kilogram. If the weight of the things are less, we use the gram. If the weight of the things are more, then we use the kilograms. These are the two units of measurement we are having, gram and kilogram. Okay, so here weight less than 1 kg you have to write here, and the weight more than 1 kg you have to write here. First is duster. It is less than the 1 kg. It is very having a less weight. Next, weight of pumpkin, it is more. It is more than the 1 kg, isn't it? Next, you can write the chalk piece. In the classroom, you'll find the chalk piece. And here, weight more than 1 kg. The weight more than 1 kg. Table, we can write the wooden table or table. We can write wooden table. Isn't next? You can write a key. Key. It is less than the 1 kg. Then here you can write the chair. It is more than the 1 kg. Not plastic chair, wooden chair. Okay, next is here weight less than 1 kg. You can write ball, common. Okay, cricket ball you can write. And here, or else you can write a plastic ball. Okay, commonly which we use, plastic ball. Here less than 1 kg, and here you can write your wooden bat, cricket bat. It is more than 1 kg of course. Okay, next is estimate the weight of the following vegetables and arrange them in descending order. You have to arrange in the descending order. Descending in the sense what? We have to first you have to write the which is more in weight, then which is less in weight. Descending from big to small means from more to less. First here carrot, pumpkin, coconut, chili. Which is having a more weight? Carrot, pumpkin, coconut, chili. Just think and tell me fast, children. Which is having a more weight? Yes, pumpkin. Okay, first we'll write the pumpkin here. Next, which is having a more weight after the pumpkin? Carrot, coconut or chili? Yes, coconut. Very good. Next, after the coconut, carrot or chili, which is having a more weight? Of course, carrot. Next is, last is chili. Isn't it? Okay, now children come to the page number 83. You might have seen these different types of balances. Learn who use them. Here we are having some different type of balances which is used to weigh the weights. Which is used to weigh the weights of the objects. Okay, so first one is here. People who buy old. This is a one kind of measurement or the device which is it is a type of balance which is used by the people who buy old newspaper. Or else you can write cotton, for cotton and for luggage also. Okay, this type of balance is used. Next is this one. This balance is used in provision stores, kirani shops, isn't it? And a vegetable shop, you'll find such kind of balances. Next, this one, beam balance. Where you will find this one? You'll find vegetable vendors at the marketplace. Then in the fruit shop, you'll find such kind of balanced, beam balanced, isn't it? And this one, weaving machine. We'll find this balanced weaving machine. We'll find in a sweet vendors. Yes, you'll find a bakery, dry fruit shop. You'll find a dry fruit shop. They will also have such kind of balance. Next, this one is, it is used to weight, see the weight of a person. Isn't it? These are the some of the balances. Understood, children? These are the some of the different types of balances which are used for a different objects to measure the weight. Okay. Now children, turn the page, come to the page number 84. Estimate the weight of the following objects and arrange them in ascending order. Here we have to arrange the ascending order. Means what? We have to start from less weight to the more weight. So here we are having some of the things, objects, bike, car, bus, cycle, auto. You have to arrange it according to their weight from less to the more. First one is, we can take, yes, which is lesser in weight first. Cycle, bicycle. Your bicycle. Okay, we'll write this cycle. Next, after the cycle, which is having a more weight. After the cycle, bike. Car, it is having a more weight. Bus is also having a more weight. Auto is also having a more weight as compared to the bike. So we'll write here bike here. Then after the bike, car, bus or auto? Yes, auto. Auto is lesser than the bus and the car. Next, which is the having a less weight, car or bus? Car. Next, after the car, bus. So this is the ascending order of the objects based on their weight. Understood, children? So children, here you are having one activity which is there on page number 85. Observe the model and fill in the blanks. So here we are having some of the names of objects. Here more weight, here less weight. You have to compare it and you have to write their weights. I mean objects based on their weight. Okay, watermelon, it is more weight, lesser than the watermelon. The things which are having a less weight than the watermelon, you have to write here. Okay. For example, you can write mango. It is having a less weight than the watermelon. You can write apple, or else you can write the banana. These all are having a less weight than the watermelon. Here, animal. In the animals, okay. In the animals, here they are given the blank. You have to fill it. Here, less weight. Deer, okay. So here, deer is having less weight. Here you have to write the more weight than the deer. You can write elephant. You can write lion, which is having a more weight than the deer. Then you can write the tiger, or you can write the giraffe. You can write the zebra. Okay, next, vegetable. In the cucumber, more weight. Now here you have to write the vegetables which are having a less weight than the cucumber. For example, carrot, you can write chili, you can write tomato, you can write lady's finger, you can write. Okay, next, in the flower, here you have to write the more weight things as compared to the jasmine flower. Here you have to write the flowers which should have a more weight than the jasmine, not less. Okay, you can write the rose which is heavier than the jasmine. Then you can write the sunflower, isn't it? Then you can write the lotus. These all are the flowers are having more weight than the jasmine. So children, this vegetable and flowers, you try to do it by yourself. Okay.